What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing to you an amazing tool called elitealgo by elitesignals. This is a great trading tool for stocks, crypto, as well as Forex and other things as well. So I'm very excited to share this with you. Let's get straight into it. So if you're not familiar with elitesignals, this is a trading tool that you can use as a plugin on TradingView, and you can get all sorts of buy-sell signals as well as very in-depth advanced technical analysis tools so you guys can be better at your trades. So I'm very excited to share this with you. Why elitesignals? elitesignals is the biggest professional trading community in the world and home to elitealgo, the world's most advanced standalone indicator. elitealgo is trusted by over 45,000 traders. They have a great Discord group you guys can get involved with as well. It gives you buy and sell signals on any chart with built-in risk management as well as auto support and resistance lines, which is really cool. I'm going to get into further details about exactly what this chart looks like with this on, so stay tuned for that. The main signal is called elitealgo, and then they also have the oscillator available as well. These guys have a lot of in-depth information that you guys can learn from as far as courses, things like that. You can use it for Forex, stocks, and options, crypto, and futures as well. There's also the VIP Discord community. Once you purchase the actual membership, you can get access to that. The real-time alerts with free updates, multiple different plans here. Now, if you've been on my channel for any length of time, you'll know that I've covered Algo, which is very similar to this trading signal. Now, I like Algo. I still think it's a great tool, but I want to give you guys some other options out there as well to really give you guys a full spectrum of what the market has to offer as far as software that you can use. I love the fact that it has a lifetime, which Algo no longer has. So at the time of this video, they currently still have a lifetime here with elitesignals, which is really a great savings to you as a customer. They have the yearly, quarterly, and monthly. And let's get right into it and show you, what this looks like. So when you're in TradingView, I'm on the Ethereum chart right now. You can go ahead to indicators and you can go down to invite only scripts, and then you can go ahead and toggle it on. I've already got it. It would be elitealgo version 25 and then elite oscillator version 9. That's what we've got here for now. Your chart is basically going to look like this. You can use this plugin on free TradingView as well as paid, which is fine. And what I like the fact is there's multiple different signal indicators here. So I'm going to actually switch to the 4-hour chart just for the heck of it for time being. We have a lot of different settings we can do with this. I will get into that in another video as far as the more in-depth settings. But on this, I just wanted to give you a quick overview. This is a dashboard here. If you do not see this dashboard, you can click in here, okay? Or you can go to the little settings cogwheel here and get there, and then you can hit enable dashboard. Mine was not enabled, so I didn't see this at all. So if you're going to be in this, go ahead and make sure you enable the dashboard, and you can use multiple different versions of it. You can use the advanced, which is what I have, or you can use the simple model, which you'll see it'll remove a little bit of the extra data there, but we're just going to leave ours on advanced. If you're familiar, like I said, with Algo, there's different settings similar as far as like sensitivity and agility of the signal, as far as the buy-sell signals and things like that. And you can do a lot of different toggled settings. Like I said, I'll go into that in depth in another video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, over here we have an optimal sensitivity level that it's recommending for this view chart right here, which is 4-hour. We can adjust that simply by going in here. So I'm going to do optimal sensitivity 1.4 as it's recommending. Hit OK. What that's going to do is that's basically going to move your signals over and give you more signals because of the way the market is going at the time as far as the momentum, etc. So that's what we're going to run with is 1.4. The current strategy, you can adjust the strategies that you're using. I'm going to leave it on normal for now, but current position, this will show you that. This will show you a current trend. How's the market looking? Are we looking bullish? Are we looking bearish? As far as trading volume, are we looking bearish or bullish? That's some settings right here. We can also see volatility. How is things looking in the market? Are we ranging right now? Things like that. And as well as momentum, are we bearish or bullish? Now, the thing right here that I like is that the time frame trends here will give you 15-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily. as far as the trends. What this will do is actually will help you get some multi-time frame analysis going so that you can really assess the market and see how things are moving. Now, the real bread and butter of this algo here is the signals, obviously. So we've got the sell signals, buy signals, and we have smart buy, and then we also will have smart sell. Now, the basic signals are basically giving you an idea of if there is going to be a potential reversal in the market. So that's what the basic signals are, like the regular buy, regular sell. And then the smart signals are basically indicating that they're trading with the trend. Now, if you change the sensitivity and increase or decrease this number here, it's going to give you either more or less signals. So if you want more signals, then you're going to lower this number, which now the thing with that is if you have so many signals, you may actually not have as much confirmation. It is more potential for a false signal if you have too many. Whereas if you increase it, let's go back to 3, for example. I know it said give us 1.4 optimal, but as you could see, it reduced the amount of signals, which gives you more potential for some confirmation in the market so that you can decide, hey, is this like a good, actual good signal here? Now, you can do what we would call the auto sensitivity, which you can, if you're a beginner, you can just toggle this and just set it and forget it and not really worry about anything. But if you're more advanced and you want to get in depth, and do some back testing or do any kind of analysis, you're going to want to adjust these things and kind of see for yourself what's going to work best for you. I'll get in again more about the settings in another video, but I just wanted to kind of show you what this has to offer. And also we have the oscillator here down below, which you can use to compare. I'm going to change the chart actually to like 1 hour. Now I'm going to switch my stuff back to 1.4 just because I want to do that. All right, so hit OK. Now with the oscillator real quick, just so you can cross-reference, use the oscillator to cross-reference these signals up here to see if these are positive signals or not as far as what's going on in the market. You can basically see that these bear and bull signals are actually divergence signals. If you're not familiar with divergence signals, look that up and see what that is about. But basically, it's predicting that the price may rise or fall around a certain area when it gives you either the bear or bullish signal. So that's just something to keep in mind. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you can get a lot out of Elite Algo. I don't know about you, but in my personal opinion, I think the lifetime is a great option. It gives you that ability to use this tool without having to worry about a monthly expense. So that's something to think about. While they're still doing lifetime, at any point in time, they can cut that off like Lux Algo did. So this is a great opportunity to go ahead and get that. Make sure you hit the link in the description so that you can get access to this great tool here. And also feel free to use my coupon code for 25% off if you'd like to do that and get a little discount for yourself. Make sure you check out my next video on the best settings guide so that you guys can have everything set up properly and give you the best overview of all the different settings of what this tool has to offer. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can see more videos from me. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would advise you to check out my next video. Be alpha.